Okay, so this is an EMP or an electromagnetic pulse generator that I've made. This over here uses 3.7 volts and converts it into a huge potential difference to create an electromagnetic wave. This inside has a capacitor and an inductor circuit which oscillates, and this is then connected to a large transformer. This transformer steps up the voltage. This stepped up voltage goes into this capacitor and gets stored for the capacitance time. Then this potential difference is again passed on through this wire and goes into this coil here. This coil is kept right above an old speaker. This old speaker has a very strong magnet inside it. So this wholly creates a very large electromagnetic pulse. I'll show you how it affects other electromagnetic devices. So I'll switch it on. You can see that the computer speaker is also varying. If I play any song, the speaker wouldn't work. You can hear the buzzing sound that is blocking the speaker. Uh, Not only this, it can affect other electronic devices also, like the calculator. Okay, so here I have this calculator. It's showing 0 right over here. I can add some numbers. Okay, so this is on. This has 0 right here. It's working. Now I'll just bring it near this EMP and this will not work out. See this here. See, as I keep it in this range, it doesn't work. So also I can show you with this multimeter. This multimeter is showing the value 0 right here. Now I'll bring this near this EMP. And you'll see random values that are popping up. This is due to the radiation that is being emitted from this large electromagnetic pulse. This technology is also used in many high-grade bombs like E-bombs that can actually switch off all the electric devices running in a whole country or a city. Uh, so this is the basic principle how that works. Thank you.